The Philippines is an archipelago composed of about 7,640 islands, 181 covering a total area, including inland bodies of water, of around 300,000 square kilometers, 115,831 square miles, with cadastral survey data suggesting it may be larger. The exclusive economic zone of the Philippines covers 2,263,816 square kilometers, 874,064 square miles. Its 36,289 kilometers, 22,549 miles coastline gives it the world's fifth longest coastline. It is located between 116.40 and 126.34 longitude and 440 and 2110 N latitude, and is bordered by the Philippine Sea to the east, the South China Sea to the west, 189, and the Celebes Sea to the south. 190. The island of Borneo is located a few hundred kilometers southwest, 191, and Taiwan is located directly to the north. Sulawesi is located to the southwest, and Palau is located to the east of the islands. The highest mountain is Mount Apo, measuring up to 2,954 meters 692 feet above sea level, and located on the island of Mindanao. Running east of the archipelago, the Philippine Trench extends 10,540 meters 580 feet down at the Emden Deep. The longest river is the Cagayan River in northern Luzon, measuring about 520 kilometers 320 miles. 198. Manila Bay, upon the shore of which the capital city of Manila lies, is connected to Laguna de Bay, the largest lake in the Philippines, by the Pasig River. The Puerto Princesa subterranean river, which runs 8.2 kilometers 1 mile underground through a karst landscape before reaching the ocean, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site situated on the western fringes of the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Philippines experiences frequent seismic and volcanic activity. The Philippine region is seismically active and has been progressively constructed by plates converging towards each other in multiple directions. Around 5 earthquakes are registered daily, though most are too weak to be felt. The last major earthquakes were the 1976 Moro Gulf earthquake and the 1990 Luzon earthquake. There are many active volcanoes such as Mayon, Mount Pinatubo, and Taal volcano. The eruption of Mount Pinatubo in June 1991 produced the second largest terrestrial eruption of the 20th century. The Philippines is the world's second biggest geothermal energy producer behind the United States, with 18 of the country's electricity needs being met by geothermal power. The country has valuable 212 mineral deposits as a result of its complex geologic structure and high level of seismic activity. The Philippines is thought to have the second largest gold deposits after South Africa, along with a large amount of copper deposits, and the world's largest deposits of palladium. Other minerals include chromite, nickel, and zinc. Despite this, a lack of law enforcement, poor management, opposition because of the presence of indigenous communities, and past instances of environmental damage and disaster have resulted in these mineral resources remaining largely untapped. The Philippines is a megadiverse country. 8 major types of forests are distributed throughout the Philippines: dipterocarp, beech forest, pine forest, Malave forest, lower montane forest, upper montane or mossy forest, mangroves, and ultrabasic forest. As of 2021, the Philippines has 7 million hectares of forest cover, according to official estimates, though experts contend that the actual figure is likely much lower. Deforestation, often the result of illegal logging, is an acute problem in the Philippines. Forest cover has declined from 70% of the Philippines' total land area in 1900 to about 18.3% in 1999. With an estimated 13,500 plant species in the country, 200 of which are unique to the islands, Philippine rainforests have an array of flora, including many rare types of orchids and Rafflesia. Around 1,100 land vertebrate species can be found in the Philippines, including over 100 mammal species and 243 bird species not thought to exist elsewhere. The Philippines has among the highest rates of discovery in the world, with 16 new species of mammals discovered in the last 10 years. Because of this, the rate of endemism for the Philippines has risen and likely will continue to rise. Parts of its marine waters contain the highest diversity of shorefish species in the world. Large reptiles include the Philippine crocodile and saltwater crocodile. The largest crocodile in captivity, known locally as Lalong, was captured in the southern island of Mindanao, and died on February 10, 2013, from pneumonia and cardiac arrest. The national bird, known as the Philippine eagle, has the longest body of any eagle. It generally measures 86 to 102 centimeters (2.82 to 3.35 feet) in length and weighs 4.7 to 8.0 kilograms (10.4 to 17.6 pounds). The Philippine eagle is part of the family Accipitridae and is endemic to the rainforests of Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao. The Philippines has the third highest number of endemic birds in the world behind Indonesia and Australia with 243 endemics. Notable birds include the celestial monarch, flame-templed babbler, red-vented cockatoo, whiskered pitta, Sulu hornbill, rufous hornbill, Luzon bleeding heart and the flame-breasted fruit dove. Philippine maritime waters produce unique and diverse marine life and is an important part of the Coral Triangle ecoregion. The total number of corals and marine fish species in this ecoregion is estimated at 500 and 2,400 respectively. New records and species discoveries continue. The Tabaraha Reef in the Sulu Sea was declared a World Heritage Site in 1993. Philippine waters also sustain the cultivation of fish, crustaceans, oysters, and seaweeds. One species of oyster, Pinctada maxima, produces pearls that are naturally golden in color. Pearls have been declared a national gem.